What's up, everybody? Yo, personal vlog again, and this is RomeoKidTV. We're in Mount Lauren. It's about 9 o'clock right now, p.m. Eastern time. Waiting for my cousin to come to pick us up. It was supposed to be a whole family reunion, but unfortunately, a lot of my family members couldn't come today, and we're just stuck here. So we're just waiting for my cousin to come and pick us up. So yeah, you're gonna see something that you guys have never seen before. Sorry, I'm looking this and that because I'm still looking for him. So I'll catch you guys later. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm in my awesome place right now. Watching David Space's new video. Sorry that I haven't seen it in a while. I've been busy with my work. And just here with my cousins and everybody having a good time. I just ate a little bit, drank a lot of Sprite. Not a lot of my family members were here, but you know, a lot of their friends came, so they're having a good time. There's not much to say. No videos hopefully coming out this month. Welcome back to New York, family style. Well, friends, family, get together a little bit in New York. That coming out later this month. And just having a good time. I'm really tired. There you go.
Yo, what's good, my nigga? I'm about to pay this fucking toll. 40 cents, let's hope they don't take my quarters. We good money.
We're good.
I'll holla at you later.